I'm Dr. Shravya, an aesthetic physician from Bangalore. I'm here in Mumbai for a level 1 course in aesthetic medicine with AAAM, that's American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, which is really good. I've done a couple of courses before, but it varies a lot from the others to this thing. Here you get to learn a lot of things which is in detail, and everything is given hands-on, and it is just not like a doctor doing it on one person, but we get to do it on n number of people, so that it's very good for you in future for your practice. And the doctors, the faculty here is really good, that they've been supporting us in a really good way, that we get really expertise whatever we do in. So I really suggest whoever is interested in this aesthetic medicine to literally do this course with American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, all the levels, because the level 2 would have even more in detail when compared to the level 1. And I'm really glad that I'm here today with this faculty and with this association and doing this course. Thank you.